Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Today you are going to learn again alphabets, capital letters and stroke letters, how to write. Before that, I teach you the letters and its sounds. Okay? Shall we learn? Last time I teach you, now I go to remind. Look at this page. A to Z alphabets. You can see in this page. பார்க்குறீங்களா தெரியுதுங்களா? Okay, good. See here. First letter A. Say letter A. What sound of A? A. Letter B. B. Letter C. K. D. D. E. F. G. G. H. H. I. E. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O. P. P. Q. Q. R. R. S. S. T. T. U. V. V. W. W. X. X. Y. Y. Z. Z. Okay? This is letters and sounds. Now I ask you some questions. Can you say now answer? For example, here you know one thing very well. C and K. The same, both letter has the same sound. What sound of C? K. What sound of K? K. Okay? This is different letter, but it has same sound. Okay, children? Once again, I teach you the alphabets. All of you look at and say the alphabet's name. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? These are the capital letters. You know very well. Now I give you practice. Next, look at this chart. This is stroke ABCD. See here. A, stroke A, stroke B, stroke C, stroke D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. These are the stroke letters. Now I go to give you practice how to write these letters. Okay, children? Listen carefully. You have to touch 3 lines. This is letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, these are capital letters A to Z alphabets. Now stroke letter. Shall we write? பாருங்க, ஸ்ட்ரோக்னா ஸ்லாண்டிங் லைன் இருக்கணும். ஒரு கவ் மாதிரி வந்து ஏ சாரி ஸ்லாண்டிங் லைன் கை எடுக்காமல் இப்படி போகணும். ஏ ஸ்ட்ரோக் பி ஸ்ட்ரோக் சி ஸ்ட்ரோக் டி ஸ்ட்ரோக் இ 4 லைன் டச் பண்ணியிருக்கணும். எஃப் ஓகே எஃப் ஜி H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, you understand, children? Like, you have to write in your textbook, take practice and send it to the group. Okay, thank you, children. Say oral A to Z alphabets and written also A to Z, right, and send it to the group. Thank you. Bye bye.